Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Robux in PLS Donate. The only way to earn Robux in this game is by creating and selling your own custom items, such as game passes or clothing, which other players can then purchase from your donation stand. This process directly contributes to your Robux balance. You'll need to design these items outside of the game and then make them available for sale within your personal booth. It's a straightforward system, but requires a bit of creativity and effort to get started. To create a game pass, navigate to the Roblox Create page on the website. You'll need to upload a unique image, give your pass a catchy name, and write a short description. After that, set a price in Robux. Popular prices often range from 10 to 500 Robux. Remember, Roblox takes a small fee from each sale. Once saved, this game pass will automatically appear as an item available for purchase at your donation stand in PLS Donate, ready for generous players to buy. Another excellent way to earn Robux is by designing custom clothing, like shirts or pants. You'll need to use a specific template provided by Roblox for your designs. Keep in mind that a Roblox Premium subscription is necessary to upload and sell these clothing items. Once your design is complete and uploaded, you can set its price. These custom garments will then be showcased at your PLS Donate stand, offering another avenue for players to support you and for you to earn valuable Robux. To maximize your Robux earnings, focus on making your donation stand truly stand out. Use creative signs and a unique booth design to catch players' eyes. Engage with others in the game. A friendly and appreciative attitude can encourage donations. Remember, earning Robux takes time and consistent effort. Don't get discouraged if sales aren't immediate. Offer a diverse range of items at various price points, from 5 Robux to several hundred, to appeal to a wider audience and increase your chances of success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.